The Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram brands have been growing month over month for 55 months, to the point where right now they're the best-selling vehicles in all of Canada. This is a result of three things. Firstly, it's the product. Every single model has been re-engineered and redesigned to have best-in-class safety, performance, styling, and fuel economy as well. Secondly, it's the deal. Chrysler Canada has continued to reallocate money, marketing funds, from their traditional media spend and instead using that money to increase consumer cash, rewarding customers who purchase a new vehicle with the lowest prices and the lowest payments ever. Thirdly, it's dealers like Varsity Chrysler that are committed to stocking inventory, selling in volume, and giving exceptional customer service. Now, for the greatest auto sale, Varsity Chrysler is taking their volume bonus cash, the money they get from Chrysler for increasing their sales, and using that to lower prices even more. Now, combine these low prices with historic low interest rates and unusually high trade-in values, and you've got a deal that just can't be beat. So run down, walk down, bus down, or fly down, but get yourself down to Varsity Chrysler's greatest auto sale and save big today.